How to find your page email settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find your page email settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then just scroll down and click pages, and now select your page and then just click about, and here you will find the email. Just click on it and add your email here and then just click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.